Roughly half of the new cases are Americans under the age of 35, which is, at a certain level, very encouraging news.
Vice President Mike Pence today talking about the nationwide surge in COVID cases. This was the first coronavirus task force briefing in about 2 months. And a big reason so many young adults are testing positive now is because they're not following physical distancing measures.
Yeah, despite the vice president's claim that it's, quote, encouraging, young adults make up nearly half of the new cases. KRON 4's Michelle Kingston spoke with local health experts who say that any surge in cases can be dangerous no matter who's getting sick.
As beaches, bars, gyms, and restaurants reopen across the country, several states set single-day case records this week, including Arizona, Nevada, Texas, Oklahoma, and California. Many states are seeing a rise in young people testing positive for coronavirus. But Vice President Mike Pence is calling it encouraging that roughly half the new cases are coming from people under the age of 35. We asked local health experts why he might think that's a good thing.
I think some people may think it's encouraging that young people have positive COVID tests because they are less likely to be hospitalized and less likely to die because of it.
But young people can easily spread coronavirus to those who are older and to those who may end up getting very sick and dying of the virus.
There's no question that young people are very important in the spread of coronavirus. And I think this has just been highlighted in the last week or two. That in states particularly that have opened up, I think in retrospect, way too fast, that young people have been often implicated in spreading the virus.
Local health experts say it's important to continue wearing a mask when in public, and if you must be around other people, it's best to do so outside. While young people may have milder symptoms, they can still infect those more at risk. And while we see case numbers rising, it's likely the death rate will also rise in the coming weeks.
This is not a good situation that we're in right now with this dramatic uptick in number of cases as well as hospitalizations.
In the East Bay, Michelle Kingston, KRON 4 News.